What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, Financial Advisor. Welcome to my channel. Please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. So here is RDBX, Redbox Entertainment. This finishes at $8.55 today. That is up 27.61%. So we've been covering this stock quite a bit lately, since this first squeezed in the beginning of May, and then it sold off, thought it was done, and then it squeezed again, and apparently it's still squeezing. Apes don't want to give up. So this stock did make top 10 on StockTwits today, had over 5,000 mentions. It was third behind SPY and AMC, so once again we're going to analyze it. So no company specific news to justify this price action today. Again, it just seems like this is very retail driven. The apes just don't want to give up, and still squeezing this, still diamond handing.
With diamond hands, they knew they'd profit if they could only hold.
Alright, let's jump right in. Let's go ahead and analyze here. So first of all, this appears to be a cup and handle in the making. Bottom of the cup being 235, and there can be multiple possible tops. It can be $8.50, $9.45, $11, and longer term, this is part of an even bigger cup and handle, where the top can be $11.70, $12.40, $13.95, $14.75, $19.25, or even the high of $27.20. But those are all bullish indicators. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. So the cup and handle is bullish in the short and long terms. So last time we discussed this stock, I did say this looked like a bull flag developing, and it looks like it's due for a breakout soon. And we see here it is starting to break out of the bull flag. So bull flag still a bullish indicator. We do have a symmetrical triangle forming here. Right now this looks like it's consolidating between $8.50 and $6. So there's a bit more consolidation to go, but this should consolidate somewhere around $7.25, and from there it's going to break out either way, but it does appear more bullish than bearish. So I would say the symmetrical triangle is a bullish indicator right now. And we do have some pretty critical support here at 505. Retested that a couple of times, couldn't quite break it, so it's going to take some massive selling pressure to break 505. Strong support there. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. So right now this is sitting on the support of 850, which it finished around today. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 880, 915, 945, 980, 1010, 1030, 1050, 1090, 1125, 1170, and then 1205. There is resistance above 1205, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 820, 790, 765, 735, 710, 685, 660, 640, 620, $6, 575, 560, 545, 520, and then 505. There is support below 505, but we're not going to discuss that right now. So right now at the current price, 855, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty decently sized. However, as the price increases, the channels start to open up and get wider, so expect more price action as the stock continues to run to the upside. And to the downside, if/when this breaks 505, there is a very wide channel down to 445. So from 505 down to 445, expect significant price action, and then below 445, expect the price action to return to normal. RSI is currently at 65, so not quite overbought and overvalued, but quickly approaching that, almost there. So be careful, guys. And this did 24.5 million in volume today, way above the average of 3 million. So this pump/squeeze today was confirmed by the volume. Definitely still in the middle of a short squeeze here. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. So obviously, Redbox is not a buy and hold play. This is a swing trade. This is a squeeze play. I thought this was done squeezing a while ago, but apparently not. And I have to admit, according to the charts, it does still look pretty bullish. It is a gamble, though. It's pretty much a game of hot potato at this point. At some point, sooner or later, this will have to come crashing down, as with every short squeeze. It's a matter of when, not if. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice. Personally, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. Just way too risky for my liking. Should have went long a couple of weeks ago, but here at 855, I think it's a bit too late to go long. Not saying it's a bad play, but you missed a lot of upside already, and I don't think there's too much more upside to go here. I would say at most this comes back up to 11 to fill the cup. I really don't think it's going to go higher than that. So I think at most here, there's a 30% upside left. And I'm not really sure how low this is going to go. But again, this will come crashing down, as with every short squeeze. Probably to at least 505, maybe lower. And from the current price of 855, that would be a 40% downside, and possibly even more if it breaks 505. I would say going long here would be a high risk, high reward play. So yeah, just way too risky for my liking. I think you missed your chance. And at this point, going long here would be a gamble, not really an investment. So if you want to go long, please do that at your own risk. And make sure you hit the sell button if you do manage to make a profit. Get in, get your attendees, get out. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I think it's a pretty good play because again, this will have to come crashing down at some point. But I would try to hold off and get this at a better price. 855, not a bad entry at all. An above average entry. Again, it's not overbought and overvalued just yet, but pretty much there. I would have no problems with you guys going short at 855 as long as you're able to withstand some upside pressure here. But personally, I would try to get this back at 11. Really shouldn't go too much higher than that. Again, not sure how low this is going to go, but it is going to come crashing down. It has to at some point. So I would say going short here at 855 would be a medium risk, high reward play. Definitely with the shot. Again, I have no problems with you guys shorting here at the current price. But I think going short at 11 would be a low risk, high reward play. So personally, I would try to hold off, see if you can get a better short entry, but really can't go too wrong here at 855, as long as you're able to withstand some upside pressure. So I can support going short at 855 and higher, and you should be able to make some pretty fat tendies. I personally would cover at 505. So pretty straightforward, guys. The stock is still short squeezing. Ape's still fighting here. This may have a bit more upside to go. It doesn't appear like it's done squeezing just yet, but I don't really think there's too much more upside. And at some point, it's going to have to come crashing down. So if you want to go long, high risk, high reward, please do that at your own risk. It's a gamble at this point. And if you want to go short, 855, not a bad entry. Really can't go too wrong here, as long as you're able to withstand some upside pressure. Personally, I try to hold off and get a better entry, but going short should pay off pretty big at the current price or higher. And personally, I would cover around $5. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today. Consider taking profits if you're up, not financial advice. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is RDBX, Redbox Entertainment. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know. Diamond hands to the moon. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.